Today, I'll walk you through a straightforward method to blur specific areas of an image in Canva. Start by selecting the image you want to blur and click on Edit. In the Effects menu, choose Blur. Use the brush tool to blur out the desired section. You can layer the blur for a gradual effect. Adjust the brush size and intensity as needed. To blur out a face or logo, simply move the brush over that area. If you make a mistake, you can remove blur by adjusting the brush settings. Once you're satisfied, click the back button to apply the blur effect to your image. You've now mastered the art of blurring parts of an image in Canva. Have fun experimenting with different blurring techniques. Thank you for tuning in.